Alright guys, let's move on to the question number 6. Again a very interesting question. Which of the following cannot be expressed as the sum of 3 or more consecutive integers? Now I want you to pay special attention here to 3 or more, because many times I've seen those students who get this question wrong forget that this is written, okay, 3 or more consecutive integers. And how do I solve this? Whenever you have which of the following can be or cannot be, generally the strategy is to back solve. Look at the options and back solve. So let's start with this. Can I make 0 as the sum of 3 or more consecutive integers? Yes, you can, because you can say -1, 0 and 1. So if you add these 3, you get 0. 1, can you make it 1? So suppose now I add over here or 2, okay, but then I'll get a sum of 2. So -1, 0, 1, 2. If you add these 4, you're gonna get a sum of 2. 3 can I make? So if you look at 3, I can do it like this, because this sum will be 0 and then you'll add a 3, you'll get the sum of 3, and that's why I said more is important. 4 I can again make like this. Can you make 1? No. 1, if I want to make, it will be 0 and 1. But then it is, we need 3 or more consecutive integers. So B, it is not possible, and answer is B, right? So a tricky question. I hope you got that.